Welcome the our channel. Today we how to log into Airtable interfaces for client portal strategy, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Airtable website by typing in the URL. Once the page loads, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. You will then be directed to the login screen. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the appropriate. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. Once your credentials are entered, click the Login button to access your account. After successful login, you will be taken to your Airtable dashboard. Look for the Interfaces tab on the left-hand menu. Click on the Interfaces tab to open the Interface Gallery. In this gallery, you will find various interfaces available to you. Select the one that best suits your client portal strategy. Click on the interface to open it. Familiarize yourself with the interface layout and features. You can now start customizing the interface for your client portal needs. Remember to save any changes you make regularly. Once you've set it up according to your strategy, share the interface link with your clients. Your clients can now easily access the customized portal. You are now logged into Airtable interfaces and ready to implement your client portal strategy effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.